Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about the Mist Clear iPhone 13 series case from TORRAS. This is a great matte frosted clear finish case that provides military-grade shockproof protection. So let's open it up here and take a look at it. And right away, you can see that nice frosted clear finish. So that you can see the phone through the case. You'll be able to see the color that you've chosen. It doesn't hide the color, so that's great. But that frosted finish just kind of gives it a good look. Also, it's going to be anti-fingerprint, so you're not going to see fingerprints on this case the way you often would a normal clear case. And this material is also all anti-yellowing material, so you don't have to worry about this material yellowing over time. It's going to stay nice and clear just like you see it today, which is great. Now this case does also provide excellent shockproof protection. Part of that is due to these corners right here. You can see there's a little airbag built into each one of these corners. See that little airbag there? So everyone knows if you drop your phone, one of the worst places for your phone to hit is on the corner. That's the most dangerous place. But you don't have to worry about that as much with this case on there because you've got those airbags so that if it does happen to hit the corner, those airbags are going to help protect your phone, which is excellent. You also have a camera lip, a raised camera lip, about 1.3 millimeter to protect that camera bump on the back of the phone, as well as a slightly raised lip, about 1.1 millimeter raised lip on the front to protect your screen. So that way, even if you lay your phone face down, you've got that slightly, just tiny raised lip. Not enough to add bulk to the phone, but just enough to protect the screen. So really excellent design there. You do have all the buttons you need. You've got button covers here for your volume rocker, and then you've got a cutout for your Do Not Disturb button. On the other side, you've got a nice cover for your power button. And then down here on the bottom, you've got all the cutouts you need for your power supply as well as your speakers. So you're well covered. Again, it's a very simple but very good looking case. It also has nice, like if you grip it, because the outside is a TPU material, it's very grippy, so it's going to hold in your hand. Definitely anti-slip, keep you from dropping your phone when you're holding it, which is great. But provides really excellent protection, good looking, allows you to see the color and beauty of your phone, but that nice frosted finish also prevents fingerprints, and you won't see any fingerprints. As you can see, I'm touching all over it, and you see no fingerprints there. And that is by design. That is the way this is designed. Offers a great look to keep your iPhone looking great and also keep it well protected. Again, this is the Mist Clear case by TORRAS, and an excellent, excellent case for your iPhone 13.